Hey friend, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Smile Turn to 90's keycap set. Now this set was sent over by KeyTok to review, so a big thank you to them as well. These keycaps take inspiration from 1990s film cameras. Their color composition features various shades of gray with a burst of salmon pinkish red for that extra flair. The design also includes blocks, straight lines, and some characters tilted 90 degrees, all of which pay homage to the style of the 90s. The profile of these keycaps is hidden in the name, Smile. It takes after the cherry profile, but with an ergonomic twist. Made from PVD plastic, these keycaps are processed using 5-sided die sublimation, resulting in a more durable legend and vibrant keycap colors. For this keycap set, I've chosen to pair them with my QK100, an 1800 compact keyboard. I've also customized the LCD screen to complement the overall 90s camera aesthetic. For the switches, I'm going to go ahead and opt to continue using the Gateron Milky Yellow Pros, which came pre-lubed. When KeyTok reached out to ask which keycap set I'd love to review, as a 90s baby myself, I couldn't resist choosing this keycap set because it brings nostalgic vibes from my childhood. This keycap set pairs with the Turn to 90's resin keycap, a beautiful keycap designed as a camera, which you can purchase separately from KeyTok's website. But for this review, KeyTok was very kind to go ahead and include one in the set they sent over to me. But there is some bad news. Oh no. After receiving and opening the box, I found that the resin keycap had actually broken during the shipping process. Fortunately for me, being the artisan keycap enthusiast that I am, I actually purchased one of my own in case the set didn't come with one to review. With that being said about the shipping process and breakage of the keycap, if this piece is of interest to you, I want to be sure I put the consumer's mind at ease and mention again that this artisan is not included in the keycap set, and for what I assume is generally packaged like this one I received, in a box snugly secured by firm foam for that ultimate shipping protection. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you got value out of it, and subscribe today for more mechanical keyboard and related content.